recipes that can be made quickly and also something that we can eat at one go. Today is one recipe that I'm going to show you guys. It's a lovely spicy chicken Frankie. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm going to make a masala paste. For this I've taken 5 large green chilies chopped, about 8 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger chopped, half onion chopped. Grind everything to a nice fine paste. I've taken 2 chicken breasts, cut it into strips. To this I'm going to add a few ingredients, starting with the juice of half lemon, 1 teaspoon masala paste. To this add quarter cup of thick curd, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Add some chopped coriander leaves. After adding all the ingredients, mix the marinade along with the chicken pieces. Make sure it's all coated nicely. Let this sit for about 30 minutes in the marinade. Next, I'm going to cook the chicken. For this, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the marinated pieces onto the pan. Cook the chicken for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Chicken is done. If you'd like it a little saucy with the marinade, then you can turn off the stove at this point. Next, I'm going to make a spicy mayonnaise. For this, I've taken about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of SCHEZWAN paste. Just mix it together. The spicy mayonnaise is done. Now let's start making the wraps. I have a few pre-made chapatis. Add the mint chutney and spread it. I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with some thinly sliced onions. Add some thinly sliced capsicum, juliennes of carrot. I'm going to add the spicy mayonnaise. Place the fried chicken. Roll it and pin it. So there you go. Here is this delicious spicy chicken Frankie or wrap that you can make and enjoy as a meal by itself. As you can see, it's a very easy recipe that you can make in minutes and of course enjoy it when it's still warm. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frame.